Winter always carries a strangely comforting feeling. The cool air makes people crave gentleness, sophistication, and elegance in every layer they wear. For women over 50, this is not just the season of warm coats, but a time to express a refined, mature, and deeply captivating sense of style. We've lived through many seasons of fashion, once enchanted by the bright colours of youth, once drawn to figure-hugging dresses or soft sweaters on autumn days. But after 50, fashion is no longer about standing out in a crowd. It becomes a way to honour ourselves the beauty of experience, confidence, and serene grace. One of the first secrets to dressing beautifully in winter lies in the fabric. At this age, our skin and body become more sensitive, so choosing soft, warm, and breathable materials is essential. Cashmere, high-quality wool, tweed, and cotton blend knits are wonderful options. These fabrics not only feel pleasant against the skin, but also help garments hold their shape, creating a poised and elegant silhouette. Next comes the art of layering a technique. Women over 50 should truly embrace a thin shirt underneath, a round neck sweater on top, and a long wool coat over it. Make for a look that is both warm and stylish. Layering adds dimension to an outfit, helping the body appear taller and slimmer. The key is balance. The inner layer should fit gently, while the outer layer can be slightly looser to give a relaxed yet refined feel. Colour also plays a vital role in brightening up the winter season. Don't hesitate to try warm shades such as earth brown, beige, camel, or olive green. They flatter the skin tone and radiate quiet elegance. For a touch of vibrancy, add an accessory in wine red, navy blue, or lavender. When colours are chosen wisely, they can light up the face and bring out a natural, confident glow. And never forget, the coat, the soul of winter fashion. A long wool coat that reaches or slightly passes the knees always evokes sophistication and grace. For mature women, minimalism is the most elegant choice. A V neckline, hidden buttons, or a subtle waist belt will flatter the figure without being overly ornate to appear more youthful. You can opt for a light-coloured trench coat or a short puffer jacket paired with a wide scarf. Speaking of scarves, they are the indispensable accessory of winter. A neutral cashmere scarf in cream, light grey, or caramel adds both warmth and refinement. To create more interest, choose one with subtle patterns, such as small checks or natural gradient tones. The way you drape it matters. To simply let it fall loosely around the neck, and the look becomes effortlessly chic, almost Parisian. Footwear is another key element of style. In cold weather, boots become your best friend. Choose ankle boots for a neat look, or knee-high boots for an elegant, striking touch. The most important thing is comfort. Pick a pair with a low heel of about 3 to 5 centimeters to elongate the legs without straining the feet. When wearing pants, go for straight or wide leg styles that gently cover the boot top to make your legs appear longer. Women over 50 don't need too many accessories, but a few well-chosen pieces can complete any outfit beautifully. A leather strap watch, a pair of small pearl earrings, or a simple tote bag can all speak volumes about your taste. At this stage in life, style is no longer about quantity. It's about the art of selection and combination, letting your natural elegance shine through. Regardless of the design you choose, make sure your outfit allows room to breathe. Avoid overly tight clothing, as it can restrict movement and dampen your natural grace. At this age, beauty doesn't come from curves or height. It flows from confidence, calm footsteps, and a gentle smile. For light gatherings, year-end parties, or festive occasions, this is your chance to shine with subtle sophistication. A straight-cut knit dress in deep, warm tones, such as burgundy, navy, or chocolate brown, will flatter your complexion and exude luxury. For a fresh twist, choose a midi-length knit dress with a slight waist accent. Pair it with a long wool coat and low heels, and your look will be both graceful and soft. Add small pearl earrings and a hint of lipstick, and your face will glow warmly in the cozy ambience of winter. If you're planning a winter getaway, especially to snowy or cold destinations, prioritize practicality. Choose light, yet insulating pieces like down jackets, heat-retaining tops, thick leggings, and anti-slip boots. Don't forget gloves and a wool hat, as they protect your health while completing your style. A large knit scarf will keep you warm and can be styled in various ways. Perfect for those travel photos. A small winter styling tip: pay attention to proportion. When the upper half of your outfit is bulky, keep the lower half streamlined to maintain balance. Conversely, if your pants or skirt are loose, pair them with a fitted top. Dressing for winter doesn't mean wrapping yourself in layers. It's about achieving warmth and elegance without heaviness. Makeup and hair also play a part in completing your winter look. A light foundation, warm-toned lips, and neatly styled hair can make your whole appearance refined and radiant. Stick to natural tones, nothing too bold or pale, to preserve softness and authenticity. Above all, winter fashion for women over 50 is not just about clothing, it's about attitude. When you know who you are, what you want, and what makes you feel beautiful, even a simple sweater becomes a statement of grace. True beauty at this age needs no display. It shines quietly from within, a confidence, a peace, a sense of contentment. So each time you step outside, let your smile be your most precious accessory. No matter how cold the weather gets, if your heart is warm, winter will always feel gentle. As winter draws to a close, what remains is not just the warmth of the layers we wore, but the joy of seeing ourselves in the mirror, still radiant, still confident, still full of life. After 50, beauty lies not in perfection, but in one's way of being. A smiling gaze, a calm stride, and a kind heart. That is the timeless elegance that transcends all seasons. If these reflections resonate with you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to join us every week for new inspiration, fashion tips, style guide, and ways to embrace yourself fully at every age. Each video will be a small reminder to look good, feel good, and live joyfully in each moment. Because, after all, fashion for women over 50 isn't about impressing others. It's about feeling peaceful and happy in your own skin. And when you feel beautiful, the world around you naturally becomes warmer.